Gusto ko lang ipaalala sa mga sundalo, mga pulis, the constitutional duty of the AFP, protector of the people and the state, for our mutual education, the primary provision that defines the duty of the armed forces of the Philippines under the Constitution in Section 3, Article 2, which provide thus civilian authority is at all times supreme over the military. The armed forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people and the state to secure the sovereignty and the state and the integrity of the national territory. Reading of the above provision does not say that the AFP is the protector of the President and his government. Protector of the people and the state, hindi po yung Presidente. Yun ang nasa Konstitusyon. Kasi sinasabi nila, nasa Konstitusyon, protect the President. Hindi po. Should protect the people.